Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix phone won't turn on issue in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you are using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57, you're facing the issue that your phone is not turning on. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to make sure that your phone have enough charge battery in your phone, because sometimes it might be that your phone battery is very low or it's not able to turn on your phone. So you can try to insert the charger in your phone and then retry. But before you insert the charger, I recommend you have to use the original Samsung charger and charging cable, and you have to make sure that the charging cable is not physically damaged. Or you can try to check out your charger on another phone that is charging your phone as well. Or you can also try to check out the charging port. There's not any dust or dirt in it. You can try to clean your charging port, or you can also try to physically check your charging port, because sometimes it might be if your charging port is damaged, so your phone will not charge or it will not turn on. So once you have done all of this, now you have to insert the charger and try to make a force restart. Before you do that, I recommend you have to wait almost 5 minutes. When your phone will got a small a bit amount of charged on battery, then you can try to make a force restart, or you can normally press the power button. But I recommend you have to make a force restart by pressing on holding your volume down and the power button here. Just press and hold the volume down and the power button. You might see a Samsung logo here. Your phone is not turning on, but I recommend you have to make a force restart from here. You just have to press and hold the volume down and the power button on the screen. Your screen will completely goes black. Your phone will be forcefully restarted. So just wait for it. Once you see the black screen, you just have to wait for Samsung logo here. And once you see the Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. So it will make a forced restart, which might take longer than usual. So you just have to wait for it until your phone restarts. And once it's done, now you can easily use your phone without any issue like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.